Hello guys, let me know in the comment section as soon as you can hear me, as you can see me. We're going to go through Bitcoin as always, through Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance. We got Ethereum Classic here, Revanth, in the comment section. I can see you. VeChain, Ethereum Classic. We are paying close attention into these cryptocurrencies, sorry. And yeah, I mean, it is all playing out just as expected. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you can see me. Hello Revanth, how are you doing? What's your collab with AM Crypto? Thank you very much. Great guy. He is, Alex. It was absolutely amazing going on his channel and talking about the different analysis mid and short term. BCH is making a huge Adam and Eve scenario. Please check that and VET and ETC, says Revanth. Yeah, we'll take a look at this straight away. Okay, guys, make sure to smash up the like button on your way in. David Palacio says, learned lots on this channel. Great job. Thank you, David. You're very welcome. Glad you like it. Hi, Andy. Olaf from Germany says, hello, Ban. Hello. Alexandra, hi Andy. Hello Alexandra. Smash the like button for Andy. Cheers Bernard. How are you doing, brother? Right. Hey, what's up? Says Cat Lover. Hedoban has, yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Bernard, hear you well, brother. Great, thank you, Bernard. OMG, you're live. Wilson says, yes, I am. Just going to go quickly through the comment section and we are going to go through different analysis in the crypto space, guys. I know you all a little bit excited. I am also. We're having a massive a pump, you know, some different cryptos. I got someone from the community what I was waiting for, what was going to be my my next trade, and this was Ethereum Classic, guys. We did see a nice, beautiful, nice setup right over here. You know, had to break the $60 range very nicely. As soon as we broke it, I entered in a small swing trade position. I think we are going to successfully hit the $81, $82, and then, you know, there's another huge scenario over here. They're all going to start popping, in my opinion, in the next coming weeks, entering into September, because, you know, there's a huge, also like a kind of double, triple bottom here. It's more of a double bottom, but we touched the bottom twice here on Ethereum Classic. Just like VeChain, a lot of them are going to start popping, guys, especially when we have the Bitcoin dominance going to be falling, guys. This is at this stage, this is inevitable, okay? It is inevitable that the Bitcoin dominance is going to come down, and billions are going to go to altcoins. So yeah, we'll be taking a look at analysis on this. We see, yes, says Bernard, Sol looking good. Yes, let's take a look at Solana also. Solana was looking very nice. We could have traded that on by a bit also. Yes, we can see you, says Ryan. Hey Andy. Hey Andy, looks great. Look great. Thank you very much. We can see you. OMG, yes. Solana doing very well. Well, let's take a look at Solana, definitely. Hi Andy, says FG. Hello bro, says Chisum. Ryan says, any good entries coming up for Ethereum? Yeah, we'll be checking out Ethereum, but in my opinion, if we do have a great correction to $2,900 area, I think this is going to be a good point of entry. And why is this? Because this should be defending really, really well, guys. It has been such a heavy resistance in the past. We've already got one bounce, okay? A lot of people might think that, yeah, if we're going to come down and retest it again as support, we might fail. But yeah, market is looking very, very bullish. I think we are going to see some signs of Ethereum having a major shock supply, okay, with the Ethereum passing to proof of stake. Most of the fees are getting burned, okay? It is a deflationary asset right now. So yeah, I think all the corrections, guys, at this point, in my opinion, need to be bought back up, okay? We'll be doing some live trades. We'll be talking about some good entries. I think 2,900 is a major good entry, all right, for Ethereum, in my opinion. It has to hold nicely. It has to hold. I think it is more probable to get a bounce from this area than getting it broken down to and coming down to the 2,600, okay? It is possible, but not probable in my opinion. Yeah, this can be traded, guys. You know it. You know the deal on Bybit. You get the best bonus available down below. I think it's $1,610 worth of bonus. And yeah, PrimeXbt has got the best bonus in my opinion. You get 50% added to your deposit. And I forgot that PrimeXbt has Ethereum against BTC chart. I totally forgot because they have so many different assets, and we've been talking about the Ethereum BTC chart also. Let me just quickly show you. Yeah, Ethereum BTC chart over here, you know, breaking the massive resistance, and we've been calling here this very, very nicely. Now we probably going to be able to hop in this next trade, but I think if we do have this correction, if we do see the support failing and coming all the way down here, guys, I'm going to say this on my you know, different videos or live streams. I'm going to say, guys, I'm long Ethereum BTC. The good thing about this is that you can trade it on PrimeXbt. So yeah, we'll potentially be placing a long order, even though if we do have the correction to the downside here on Ethereum Classic. Sorry, Ethereum BTC chart. Sorry, I'm getting confused now. Yeah, I think I will be longing if we drop down. If we break resistance nicely, I'll be also longing, because we should be coming at least to the top here of this potential, you know, descending wedge or descending triangle. I've seen some other analysts saying that this is a pennant. This is a bullish pennant, and you can get this as the leg up here from the pole and from the breakout. You know, this should take us to the 0.1 BTC per Ethereum. So one Ethereum is going to be valued 0.1 BTC. A tenth of a Bitcoin is going to be one Ethereum. What do you think about that? I think it is very, very possible here in the next coming weeks. It might take a couple of months actually to have that run up to the upside. Hi Andy says FG. Right. I'm HR. Remember me. I'm HR, remember me. Oh, FG, you've changed your name. Yes, I do remember you. I am here from Da Vinci, says Cat Lover. Wow, fantastic. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the analysis and the community. We are a great community here doing live streams and, you know, talking here through in the chat. Amazing channel right here. Thank you very much, Bernard, for your amazing support. One of my best supporters. Good morning from Houston, says I'm my hero. Love from Nigeria, says Chisholm. Thank you very much. Death Killer, finally that wait is over. The great Death Killer. Please analysis for ETC. Death Killer, yeah, this is what we got for ETC. All right, I mean, maybe it was you actually in the comment section asking me what is going to be my next trade, and yeah, ETC was pretty much it. Okay, I did see this massive double bottom. Guys, remember in the crypto space, usually Bitcoin and Ethereum are the ones that start leading the market. And especially if we see the Bitcoin dominance that is going to have a major correction, that yeah, we need to expect some altcoins to start popping, especially when we have, you know, these kind of double bottom scenarios. ETC was very much expected. We were calling $63. We needed to break it nicely. We did break it. I did a late entry. I entered at about $66 if I'm not wrong. A small swing trade here. Yeah, my entry point was $67. So yeah, just a small position. I would be adding to my position if we have that major correction. The thing is that we are kind of in overbought territory. We're having some bearish divergence for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. All right, so yeah, I'm just a little bit cautious, not you know, trading too much of my capital, but I will be adding to my position if we have that major spooky drop. Okay, spooky drop, sorry. You know, if we do have that major correction where everybody's going to start, you know, fearing out here. We can see the crypto and fear greed index. You know, we are getting at greed. We are just about getting to extreme greed. Yesterday was extreme greed, so yeah, a little bit people getting a bit too overexcited. So yeah, we need to be a little bit cautious because a major correction can happen. Okay, it would be the most natural, normal thing to happen here at this moment. But that's why I'm putting small positions. There are some cryptos that are having that nice leg goes up, such as Bitcoin Cash, also like Revanth was saying here in the comment section. We called here beautifully Bitcoin Cash. We called also Litecoin. How many altcoins, guys, have we been calling here on different live streams? You know, I haven't touched this chart. This was from Bitcoin Cash, guys. We have a clear double bottom. I wouldn't say Adam and Eve. The Eve is in other cryptos, which is much more longer like this. And this has already, you know, from the breakout, look how you've already perfectly met the target. But I think we do have another severe leg up for Bitcoin Cash. I think this is just going to be the start of a major leg up here in the next coming weeks. Watch out for corrections, guys. I think we need to take advantage of the corrections and dive in here for some low leverage swing trades. Okay, you do not swing trade with a 50x. Probably your trade won't be successful if you do that. Just 2, 3, 4, 5x maybe, even 5, 10x I think is too much in my opinion. Right, let me go quickly through the comments. Yeah, anyway, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, sorry, all of this, Death Killer here talking about Ethereum Classic. I think the measured target, you know the deal, we should be arriving to the $82, $83. So around the $8 range is the major target. If we do get a correction to 70, 67 or so, I think, yeah, you could potentially enter a position here. $80 is my target. This is where we have some major traffic and some major resistance for Ethereum Classic. This was mentioned in the live stream before, guys. If you're not a subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. Hi from Brooklyn. Hey, Georgios, how are you doing? Hi Andy, XRP first, please. Right, let's take a look at XRP here for Harish, and I'll be doing quickly. Yeah, XRP is absolutely exploding. I did not get into any position on XRP. I wish I did, but this is what I had drawn on the XRP chart. XRP was looking for an insane trade. We did have this double bottom, you know, same for so many cryptos. Boom, boom, boom. We said here, we're having a correction. And I said, guys, as soon as we hit 80 cents, yeah, expect XRP that's going to go to 85 cents. So we hit the 80 cents, which was a major resistance. And I was saying, guys, this is getting ready for a major blast off. We know this structure over here is going up. So, yeah, we successfully came all the way down. I wish I would have entered, you know, I didn't have time, you know, you can't enter them all. But yeah, it would have been great to enter XRP. Would have made a fantastic. This was mentioned on the channel before. I guess somebody from the community did take this trade all the way to 95 cents. You still could have had some positions open. But yeah, I mean, you could take in most of your profits around this area, and it's just had a major blast off. The thing here with XRP, guys, VeChain, there are so many cryptos that are lagging from the major resistance that we created after the May sell-off. So you can see something like VeChain, you know, let me just take the chart out here of VeChain, because I want to show you how a lot of these cryptos are going to follow up, okay? Let me just take the logarithmic out of the way. A lot of them are going to follow. Check out here VeChain, how we created also ADA. Okay, hang on a second, because I'm getting a little confused. We had this major drop here in the May sell-off. We touched resistance. Now VeChain is still well below the 14 cents, okay, which was where we had the major resistance there. We are going to come all the way back here. This is one of the most beautiful Adam and Eves I have ever seen. This is an absolutely beautiful setup, guys. In the next coming weeks, potentially in September, mid-September or late September, I do not know. You know, we could see some corrections. We are going to see this chart looking something like this. It is going to be absolutely insane. The FOMO is going to come back. So yeah, dead cat bounce. No, dead cat bounce happens like this. It happens fast. You have a dead cat bounce, you have a bull trap, you come back down and retest the lows. You do not have a bull trap when you have a massive accumulation event and then drop down. It doesn't work like this. This is a massive accumulation event, and yeah, this is just going to start popping before breaking up all-time highs potentially in September or October. You do not have a bull trap here after such a large floor, okay? In my opinion, it's just I have seen different markets and they just don't work. Bull traps happen here. That is a bull trap there. This is a bull trap here. This happens fast. Boom, dead cat bounce back down. Dead cat bounce back down. You don't retest the lows here every single time, and then, you know, this is a depression phase already. But yeah, smart money is buying. Yeah, this is no bull trap in my opinion. It could be, but with my analysis and how I see the market, yeah, this is not a bull trap in my opinion. Right, by the way, for the bonus, Ethereum and XRP would be good too. You're lagging behind, I think. Yeah, I'm always lagging behind through the comment section. I'm going to go quickly through the comments. Super, 17th of August, NFT release looking like pennant. XVG, Verge, 22 August, halving. Looks like rounding bottom. Andy, what do you think about that? Right, let's take a look at Super Farm, I guess this is. Quick look at Super because, yeah, actually I'm going to lag behind the comments, guys, because while I'm doing the analysis and a lot of people writing in the comment section, yeah, Super Farm is looking great. I'm not sure where you can trade this on Binance, but yeah, you get a fee discount if you use my link in the description. I guess most of you already have Binance account, but this is a pretty bullish setup also. Nice round bottom like you were saying here, Wilson. Looks like a pennant. Yeah, let's take a look here on the 1 hourly. Are we creating a pennant? Yeah, maybe like a symmetrical triangle or something like that. It is very, very choppy, a lot of price action. We are counting here the close of the 1 hourly candle. So are we potentially forming a kind of pennant here? Yeah, potentially this is a pennant on Super Farm. But yeah, like I said, zooming out, this is looking bullish. It is an NFT, okay, project. So yeah, as you can see right over there, this looks very, very bad. This looks very, very good. You want to get into anticipation here because this is going to have a major leg up. It does look like it in the charts. You don't want to get in here where this is, you know, creating lower highs, and this is, you know, finding retesting the bottom every single time, guys. This is the most bearish scenario you could see ever. You finally have the major sell-off. Then what you can see here, that you found a bottom. You are creating higher lows. Okay, you are creating higher lows right over there. Resistance, retesting resistance, retesting resistance, higher lows. This is bullish. This is ready for a major leg up. What else can we see here? Oh yeah, I just wanted to do something like this because it does look like we've already broken major structure, guys. This is also a bump and run scenario for Super Farm. Look, check out this line that I've got here, okay? I think Super Farm will be hitting the $1.60 in 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, I'm going to say. Okay, I am pretty confident that, yeah, now currently at 93 cents. So this just pretty, this is a bullish setup. We have resistance from these lower highs, massive sell-off. This is the bump phase. Then you have the accumulation run. You have the first retest here on the resistance. Come back down, another retest. You finally break out. This is just a major consolidation before we see this. I've seen it before. It is the most likely scenario. I could be wrong, of course. I am just this is only probabilities. Let me just go here into some trading patterns just to see. Yeah, I've talked on this on Da Vinci's channel. I've talked about it on AM Crypto's channel, and you can see a lot of altcoins also forming this very, very similar pattern. Okay, this is just ready for an explosion to the upside. Let me go through the comment section here. That rising wedge, we're about to spring that last leg back up out of the Wyckoff. It's been straight bullish since that one day. 29k close. Andy called it the whole way. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for supporting, Bernard. I remember you also, Bernard, saying we're not going below 28k. We're not going below 28k. You were right, brother. You were right. So yeah, congratulations on your call there. I was starting to feel a little bit bearish, but this is the whole point of the market. They want to trick you. If we zoom out, guys, you know, in the channel here, I was thinking, guys, I think, you know, 28k, we might have a wick down 27, but we're not going to 25k, especially when JP Morgan is calling for 25k. Come on, guys. No. They are tricking you. They always do the same thing. We've gone through this in the channel before. We have Robert Kiyosaki calling for 24K. I don't know why he was saying that on Twitter, but we saw big news out there. Boom, JP Morgan says 25K Bitcoin is coming. Did it ever come? No, it did not. So yeah, this I was getting extremely bullish, you know, when we're seeing this, and I'm saying, right, if we do have that leg down to 28K, it is time to put some orders in here. So yeah, good call on you, brother Bernard. Can you deposit $1,000, get $500, withdraw the initial $1,000 and use the $500 for trading? Is there a minimum deposit for the 50% bonus? No. Okay, I do explain this in the tutorial in the comment section, Harish, but yeah, eventually PrimeXbt gives you 50% on top of what you deposit. You still have to have your funds on the trading account, because this is just giving you buying power. This is not it is not isolated. You do not use 5x, 10x on PrimeXbt. You use margin. So your entire margin, your entire equity is your liquidation price. Your position will still be open as long as you have those funds. So if you have $1,000 and you get your 50% bonus, you're having $1,500 bonus. Total. And your position can go minus 1,400 because you got that $400 bonus. So that means you can also make bigger positions to the upside. If you withdraw if you get the $1,000 bonus out, your 50% bonus disappears. Only because it is a bonus added to your account, to your equity. If you take your equity out, you cannot add anything on top of your equity. If I explain myself, you need to have your equity in the account. You cannot withdraw it. So you have 50% added to your deposit. If you take your deposit out again, then eventually you will have 50% added to zero to your equity. So that's nothing. Yeah, you need to have your equity in your account. Right, XRP. We'll take a look at XRP straight away. We have taken a look at XRP already. I'm just lagging through the comment section as always. I think XRP might have a retracement. Okay, I can't see any patterns just yet on XRP, but we've broken out major resistance. I do think if we do have this major correction to the $1.10 levels, I think this is a major buy place. Okay, I wish we had that correction. I think I will be extremely bullish on getting scooping up some XRP. Not scooping up, potentially placing a long order here with low leverage, a swing trade here for a couple of weeks or some months. I think these highs, okay, of almost $2, it's just inevitable that at some point XRP is going to reach this range. It might be in September or October. If we take a look at the 1 hourly, are we creating a kind of pennant? How is the volume here looking? I love this volume candle on the 1 hourly. We've got this volume with this candle exactly hitting the major resistance of $1.10. So yeah, it is just pretty. I'm almost certain, okay, almost certain there's always a chance that this is going to break to the downside eventually, or depending on the market sentiment, that we are going to have a bounce from this major box, the $1.10 level. We also have some nice volume here to back it up on the 1 hourly. So yeah, this is looking pretty bullish. If we do come back down, I will be saying on my videos or on my live streams, guys, I've entered a long here on XRP around the $1.10 level, potentially at least to meet the high here again if we do this. This is not certain that we are going to do this, because we might just create a pennant right over here and then continue to the upside. If we take a look at the 15-minute here for XRP, yeah, it seems like that we are creating maybe a pennant over here on the 15-minute, maybe something like this, or maybe a kind of a flag here. It looks more of a pennant. Could you arguably discuss it as a descending triangle because we are hitting major support right over there? Yes, but no. We're having a nice uptrend. It might be a descending triangle. Okay, if we successfully break out from this support range, we might have this major leg down, okay, entering the $1.10, and I think this is going to be a major buy, okay, in my opinion here for XRP. Right, hey Andy, did you notice Doge is over the 200 MA? Aaron says, no, I did not notice. I don't usually use moving averages. It is not my style of trading or looking at the charts, but it is great. We're over the 30 cents, okay, so this was my major level. I think Doge is going to have a super leg up now to 40 cents. I want to see a little bit of more confirmation because I might be trading this myself. Doge is looking pretty good for a trade here. It is looking pretty good for a trade. I have this pull over here, and we were calling this is also very, very nice Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve is, you know, a major spike to the downside, coming back up, retesting resistance right over here, like you can see, and then hold on a second, let me just get that out of the way, and then you have a nice round accumulation, second bottom right over there, boom. We are just about to get ready to have that major blast off. We do not have major resistance from 30 cents to 40 cents, so I think this might be pretty fast. We have a lot of volatility in between 30 cents and 40 cents, so yeah, we can expect that we are going to have that major leg up pretty fast on Doge, and Doge can be traded here on Bybit. Yeah, we got Dogecoin here, so this is looking very good for a potential trade here, guys. Remember, you got the link in the description if you want the best bonus available, which is up to $1,610. Florida in the house, says Steve. Thank you, Andy. You are the best, says Ryan. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that amazing support, guys. I love doing live streams. I get so good, very good feedback from you. Andy got some styling highlights in his hair. Looking good, brother. Thank you very much. Yeah, exactly. Golden, thank you, Bernard. Litecoin, let's take a look at Litecoin for Death Killer. Litecoin, another great trade that we called here in the channel. Yeah, breaking the $1.50, and it's just been so legit with the technical analysis. This is a normal double bottom right over here. I wouldn't say, yeah, you could potentially say it's an Adam and Eve as well, but it is a double bottom, clear. We were saying the same thing, guys. As soon as we get a clear breakout from $1.50, we are getting long here. I might have a nice swing trade long because I do think that Litecoin is potentially going to hit the 220, which is this range over here. I think we are going to have that major leg up, and we'll be creating another kind of, now this is not a double bottom because we are creating lower lows, but I think a major leg up to $220 is very possible for Litecoin with just that critical resistance, okay? This resistance right over there, which is the $180. As soon as we break this, it is blue skies up to $220, 215, 220 approximately, okay? We're not going to have major resistance above 180 in my opinion. So anyway, the last calls that we were having for Litecoin was this double bottom right over here, okay, broke resistance 150. I think it exactly entered at 150, 155. We have it here on Bybit. Not a super big position, but yeah, my entry point was $151. So yeah, we called this pretty nicely here on live streams. I did do a video or two here for the last couple of weeks. We've successfully broke out. Look where we exactly got this major resistance at $156, because you know it has been major support right over there, saying, guys, okay, we might have a bounce here, come back down and then blast off, and we've exactly done this, guys. It's been absolutely amazing. Then we created this, let's go to the 1 hourly, this bull pennant, bull flag if you wish, yeah, better. And yeah, this was the measured move. Look how you have the pull here, all right, you get into the flag, the breakout from the flag, you put the bottom bit here down at the support level, and yeah, guys, this is where we're having the next major stop. Look, sometimes technical analysis is just insane. Traders are looking at these scenarios, so You need to just join them. They are looking for this. They prefer doing this than pushing the price down. So this was an excellent call. Eventually you're going to have this, you're going to enter there, you're going to almost reach the target. Okay, coming back down, you might think, okay, I'm going to exit my position, this doesn't look good, and then you actually meet the target. So this movement plays with your emotions right over there. But I'm still in my position. The target has been met already. It is the target right over here of the double bottom. It is the target already here from this pull of this bull flag. Now, this is the moment where you want to take some profits. I am doing a little bit of a risky one here. I'm going to try and leave my position open. You should be taking at least 50% of your profits right now where we're currently at. We might have this major correction. I will be in my position still and maybe be close to break even. But I think, yeah, major bounce will be continuing to the upside. So I'm doing a little bit of a risky swing trade here with taking no profits just yet. I'm pretty confident that we'll be breaking $180 pretty soon. Even though if we do come back down, I won't be scared of this drop. I think, yeah, it's just going to be another buying opportunity right over there. We'll be talking about this in the channel anyway. Andy, I want to ask, comparing H-bar massive bull flag breakout with coins like Doge, Wink, which one do you think will pump first? Hehe, thank you, says Guitar APX. Right, let's take a look at this crypto H-bar, and I'm gonna try and go quickly through the comments, guys. Right, 4 hourly chart. Guys, 61 likes. Let's try and get this stream to 100 likes. 28 watching. It is strange. I had over 1,000 people watching the live stream last Sunday, so I thought this time was going to be good, but it seems like that the YouTube algorithm doesn't want to put my videos out there for some reason. Right, H-bar. What can we see for H-bar? Right, H-bar right over here. Let's go to the 4 hourly to zoom out here a little bit. Are we creating a pennant? Very choppy. I mean, I gotta say, this crypto is so volatile, so volatile. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart. Very hard crypto to do analysis, this one, H-bar. It's been so choppy, so choppy. A lot of sideways action. But it does seem like that we are doing a similar, rounded bottom like this, and we are going to continue to the upside. Very difficult crypto to do analysis though, I gotta say. Good morning from California. What's your favorite stablecoin? USDC. I have mainly USDC as stablecoin. Thank you, Andy, for all your advices. You are the best. Dario Kelm, how are you doing? Andy, saludos de Venezuela. BTC Ethereum 110, I'm retired. Fanny, Andy, hi. Doge 4 hour forming rising wedge, but MACD bear divergence. What do you think, Andy? I think maybe on Dogecoin, because we just, round about that resistance, we've had a major leg up. That's why I said before, I want to see some confirmation. I want to see the Dogecoin, the Doge value come up easily to 33 cents. Then I'm going to say, right, this major resistance, okay, is going to turn into major support. So I might place a stop loss below 30 cents, potentially at about 27 cents, something like this. And I'm aiming for 40 cents. This is the setup that Dogecoin is looking for. So that's why, yeah, be careful. We might have a correction. We might have a nice nose down here into the 27 cents range. So be careful with, I wouldn't place some long positions. I want to see some nice price action. I want to see some confirmation here. I want to see some nice solid price action, like an accumulation, small flag, small accumulation before we pop up too soon. I'm not jumping in the trade just yet because markets, I think, are a little bit oversaturated. I'm waiting for that correction for BTC, for Ethereum, you know, Bitcoin potentially going to the $42,000, Ethereum maybe to 2,900, 2,850. I'm looking that range to hold very, very nicely, and we might see some altcoins having a small dip before we have the major run up, in my opinion. But yeah, eventually I only use RSI sometimes to see the bearish divergence, to see that the price is a little bit overvalued. I don't need any other indicators because you can just see this on the price action. You know, when you have a huge run up, it is eventually going to have it's going to have a retracement. The indicators just help you so you can see it, basically. Right, let me just right. Best crypto channel right here. Andy has taught me a fortune in knowledge over his daily streams over the last 3 months since I bought into crypto in early May. Bernard, thank you very much for your amazing support. Yeah, I'm here to help, guys. I'm here to share what I know. Okay, I am not always right, but if you have good risk management, you can make good money here in the crypto space. So yeah, a lot of people want to make a lot of money fast. Look at my positions, guys. I have less than just over $1,000 here worth of trade. Okay, I build up my wealth. I don't create wealth of, you know, hundreds of thousands in weeks. I'm potentially going to create it in the next coming years. Okay, taking advantage of this you know, this crypto space. So yeah, just I mean, a few thousand is fine. You know, I'm not going to risk tens of thousands in trades that I'm creating. I haven't got that much capital, and I only risk a small percentage of my portfolio eventually. So anyway, thank you. We're building up here with the community, try and make getting some good trades here together. This is not going to change the market. I am not going to change the market, but anyway, glad you guys like it. Andy, saludos desde Canarias. Can you take a look at Atom? For sure, Mario Gomez. Let's take a look at Atom. Right, Atom. What's going on with Atom? Let's take a look here. Zoom out on the 4 hourly. This is looking pretty good, actually. This is looking pretty good. This is I wouldn't say triple bottom because we did not retest the resistance right over here. But, you know, it is the same scenario for most of the cryptos. You have this massive sharp hitting major resistance, which has been major support right over there. Okay. This is a really good crypto. I think this is not on Bybit for trading. I wish it was, because it looks very legit with support and resistance and price action. I would see this as a double bottom also, guys. You couldn't say it's a triple bottom because this one didn't retest resistance. It doesn't matter because triple bottoms and double bottoms have the same price target. Could it be an inverse head and shoulder because the middle bit is slightly lower than the two peaks here on the side? Can this be an inverse head and shoulder? Well, no, it can't really, because we do see, you know, in between the head and the right shoulder, we did not have that retest right over here. It would have been ideal here to see this over here. Then we do know that. I mean, let's just take it with the double bottom scenario, because it is the only thing that on the second bottom, we did see this major run up instead of doing this like other cryptos have done. But it's absolutely fine. I think that if we successfully break the $16 and $17, I would say $17. Okay, $17 right over there. If we successfully break this, guys, yeah, get ready, because Atom is going to the moon. I think potentially we'll be meeting all-time highs, because this would be the measured move. Let's take a look at the measured move from this. Yeah, because it's the logarithmic, then eventually, no, we're not hitting all-time highs just yet, but this would be the measured move. Okay, guys, breaking successfully the $17, going to 18, 19. We want to see a little bit of price action. Don't FOMO in, because we do see a lot of fake outs in the crypto space. We want to get in here as soon as we hit potentially the $18, $19. And then, yeah, as soon as we hit $18, I think we are pretty far away here. This would be confirming this major breakout. If we do have a correction, fantastic. If we form a bull pennant, then yeah, we could potentially get in here and get out here of the target, because the target is about $24, just below the $24. So we want to take advantage of this potential trade. Let's just wait, because yeah, we might have that correction in the crypto market. We've had a massive run up since the 21st of July. Hey, if any Doges over the 200 and EMA. Andy, I saw falling wedge BTC 1 hour chart, so I think BTC will go to 49k or 51k and then a drop. Is it possible? Very much so. Let's take a look at this, FG. Let's take a look at this scenario that you're talking about, because are we seeing a falling wedge or an ascending wedge on what? On the 1 hourly time frame? Right, let me take a look at the 1 hourly. Okay, I see it, but I think you must be talking about this one right over here. Yeah, but yeah, very good, very well spotted, this small ascending wedge. You know, the target of an ascending wedge, usually the back of the wedge, like this. Okay, so if you want to get an impulsive move, you get it from the breakout. So eventually, if it's a descending wedge, the target is the top of the wedge, and if you break down, it is the back of the wedge. So yeah, potentially we could see this. If we do break down, remember we are in this huge ascending wedge. We have bearish divergence on the 4 hourly, so be a little bit cautious. We could be seeing the $43,000. I think this is a major support range that it is going to hold very nicely. We might be placing some swing long trade orders here for BTC. I prefer the price going down than going up, because I want to buy cheap. I want to start swing trading these movements to the upside. So we want to correct, guys. We want to drop down so we can get into some long positions. You don't want a long here, because you might have this. So yeah, if we do break to the upside, if we do break $48,000 and hit the 51,000, very possible that we'll be getting the major correction there. And why, are you going to ask me? Because we are hitting the golden pocket from this drop over here. We had the correction, I mentioned this on the channel before, we had this correction over here, then we had the major drop, okay, to the 30,000 levels. So from 60k to 30k, we've had this major drop, hitting here. We are hitting exactly the golden pocket. We can see some volatility. All right, we are getting that major correction, hitting the golden pocket from this high to this low. So we might even correct from here to the 43,000, maybe 42,000. 40,000 is my ultimate bottom. If we hit $40,000 when we have this correction, I am going to place one of the biggest swing trades I have placed in my life. Okay, I am going to risk on this one. I am pretty confident that September and October is going to be an absolutely bullish couple of months. All right, and we can have a major leg up. Sorry, not a leg off. It has been such a strong resistance, guys. We are going to do this live. I'm going to tell you on my videos if I get wrecked, if we do come back down to the $30,000 range and get wrecked. Well, guys, that is it. I won't be losing all of my portfolio, but I'll be risking, you know, definitely maybe $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, or even 10,000. We do not know. I will be saying this live in the channel, okay? But yeah, this is a descending wedge. This is maybe looking for a potential scalp. We're going to check this out in the next coming hours. I'm going to be another hour or so in the stream. We might do a little scalp here on PrimeXbt. So I'm going to get myself ready. Nice spotted. I do like that descending wedge. Inside of an ascending wedge. It's a very difficult one, but the market is just looking so bullish. I prefer going long than going short, if you ask me. So let's get the BTC here pair ready on PrimeXbt for a potential long order. Right, where is the BTC here on PrimeXbt? Hang on a second, guys. I'm just going to get this ready. I should put it on favorites already, BTC US dollar, because I never find it. Where is BTC US dollar? Can't find it now. Sorry, guys. There it is, the last one. So, guys, yeah, I'll go quickly through the comment section. Guys, remember, you got the best bonus available on PrimeXbt, 50% added to your deposit. You cannot withdraw the bonus. You can not only withdraw the bonus, you need your equity that you've deposited to add up the 50% bonus, okay? I explain everything in my tutorial in the comment section. Right, XRP, Sol, VET, ADA, XLM are all doing great this week. Yes, you got it. You got it, Bernard. They're all doing absolutely great. TLM and Alice, thanks, says Slash. Right, let's take a look at TLM. Alien Network. TLM. What's happened with TLM? I want to check it out here. Just 1 second on CoinGecko. Alien World. Not Alien Network, Alien Worlds. Has it had a nice leg up here? I think, yeah, let's take a look here at the chart at TLM. Because we were talking this as a symmetrical triangle. We were talking about this hitting at least these highs, so we're just about, you know, getting there. We did create like a pennant. We did create like a it is not a descending exactly, because we did slightly create a higher low over here. We broke out, getting so much big support here at the 25 cents. We were talking about this on the channel. It is very, very likely that this level is going to hold nicely, and you know, we are going to have that major leg up to retest this high. It is a very choppy crypto still. Not much analysis on this. We don't have too much data, but it doesn't look bad. I think, yeah, it's an NFT, you know, gaming project on the Binance Smart Chain. I think it will do well. I think it will do well in this hype. So yeah, I am bullish on this one. I'm saying up. I think 25 cents is going to hold nicely, and I'm calling for higher levels on TLM. Let's take a look at Alice. Also, these NFTs project. Alice. This is the thing. This is what I had for Alice. We had a descending wedge formation. We broke out. We are getting bounced here. I think a major leg up for Alice is the most likely scenario. Also, we are getting supported here from this range, which is the $11.50. Major bounces here every single time. We just broke out, so this is the retracement you want to get in. I think the retest here to almost $16 is very, very likely. So this is just a bounce before we have a leg up, in my opinion. Okay, we could eventually break down, but by looking at this chart, it is most likely that we are going to do this. What's your take on XRP? XRP, I mean, I hope a lot of my old subscribers in the community, you know, we were seeing XRP at 70 cents, saying, guys, this is going to break to 80 cents, and then it's going to have a major blast off to almost 95 cents. Yeah, I was pretty surprised, because we did hit the $1.88. We had a major retracement, and then we've had the FOMO event right over there. We had this retracement and the FOMO. So yeah, maybe a cool off here on XRP would make sense. Taking a look at the 1 hourly. Yeah, this is what we got. We got a kind of pennant here. So yeah, maybe we're going to break up. We're going to break down. It's still very, very soon. I think a correction is likely here on XRP. Do you have a pennant? You get the back here of this. We might be breaking the $1.34 and going to $1.40 approximately, or we might break down and come back down here to the $1.10. I think $1.10 is going to be strong support for XRP. So yeah, I think this is going to be a major buy level, in my opinion. We do have major resistance and support here from the past. If we do have that leg down, I think it's just going to be a nice round, round accumulation event, so we can scoop up some more or place some long orders, something similar to this. you want to get in here. If we do have that major correction and round bottom, we need to wait, okay? This is confirming that we are having a bottom. How do you see a confirmation on a bottom? You want to see 2 tests at least, something like this. The bear's losing steam. As soon as you have 2 tests like that and then have a major run up on top of this lower high, this is when you want to start getting bullish. This is when you think, okay, it is very unlikely that this is going to roll down. It's very likely that this is going to continue up just because of the price action. You know, you could also do something like this. You create a resistance here from these lower highs and check out this. You know, it is just, the more basic your technical analysis is the more successful you're going to be in trading. I'll tell you that now. If you have 10 indicators, you're going to go crazy because 2 indicators are going to say you're bullish, 1 indicator is going to say you're bearish. And anyway, check out how we had this price action to the downside, created 2 bottoms right over there, 2 tests, broke out the resistance from these lower highs. We broke out from this lower high also. You want to start getting bullish here. So let's wait to see if we are going to have this kind of momentum. If we did break down, we want to see nice price action to the downside and start creating a bottom. This is when you want to start becoming bullish. So yeah, by this moment, if we break resistance, you could potentially get in a quick scalp here. Potential quick scalp. Yeah, I want to see different things. I want to have a retracement. I want to see this right over there for potential longs. Nice strong support ranges. $1.10, $1.05 is such a strong resistance turning into support there. This is going to give me confidence. Look where it is right there. This is where we are going to get, you know, a potential retracement. There is where I'm going to get a nice long order, as you can see right over there here on the chart. Aaron, long 1 day, yes, above 200 EMA. Atom is great too. I love my Atom, me, Algo, and HBAR2. These 3 going to spike in September, says Bernard. XRP is doing very well. Yes, sir. Win USDT. What do you think, Andy? Thanks, says Will. Let's take a look at Win. I think this is a game. Is it a gaming? It's a gaming cryptocurrency project, I think, in the Binance Smart Chain. Or is it a gambling cryptocurrency? Just let me check it out, guys, because there are so many cryptos out there. Wink link. I think it is. The first Tron ecosystem. Oh, it's on the Tron blockchain, right? But I think it is got to do with the first Tron ecosystem comprehensive Oracle. Oh, it's an Oracle. Oh, I thought it was something got to do with the gaming industry or the gambling industry, casino or something like that. I was totally wrong there. So anyway, let's take a look at this cryptocurrency, which has had a great performance. This is looking very, very nice. I just think we are going to have a major correction, okay, for this. We are going to see that major correction, guys. This, like I mentioned also on other live streams, the market cycle has happened in 6-8 months already for cryptocurrency, all right? We have had a market cycle, a Wall Street cheat sheet market cycle already. The complacency, we just need to cool off for the next rally, happened right over here. We had the crash, we had the bounce, thinking that we are going to go to all-time highs again. No, then you have the anxiety, the denial, the panic, the anger. This has happened already on most of the cryptocurrencies. If you check out the V-chain chart also, we've done a market cycle in 8 months, guys. And this you need to understand, because cryptocurrency markets are not the same as a traditional stock market. A traditional market can have a market cycle in 5 years and have a blow off top kind of scenario like the dot-com bubble. And this takes, years and not 8 months. So we've had already a little market cycle here. And this is a massive accumulation event. We are going to see a disbelief rally, which I think is this one right now. A lot of them popping. Look at XRP having these massive run-ups, 50%, 60%. We see, you know, never mind NFT projects because they're doing 200% pumps in a couple of days. This, I think, is going to be the disbelief phase. We're going to have a major correction very soon. Okay, it has to happen, guys. It has to happen. That will be one of the last opportunities to get into some very good cryptocurrencies. This is the disbelief pump right over here. I just need some couple of charts, and the win US dollar chart is a very good example. Complacency, then you have the anger and the depression phase. We already have in the disbelief. People still not believing that this might be a bull trap. This is the bull trap. This is where the bears get excited. We have Richard Hart. I mean, the only man I have some respect. Okay, I have respect for everybody, but Richard Hart, okay, the creator of Hex, did call the 65k top. Okay, it was pretty amazing. But anyway, a lot of analysts were calling the 65k top because this is when we just had the pie cross. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure if you checked out the pie chart where you have this cross of these moving averages, and it does indicate where the market cycle is going to top. So this is what happened. Okay, so yeah, Richard Hart is saying that this might be the bull trap, and he's calling for 10k BTC. I think he's going to be wrong this time. Nobody can be right every single time. So, but he's getting a bit overexcited on his channel, thinking we are going down to 10,000. I called the top. I am the best. I called it. So yeah, I think he's going to be wrong this time. But let's wait and see. Also, guys, if you take a look at the Wall Street cheat sheet, yeah, you have this bounce here. Okay, you have this dead cat bounce straight away. You don't have it after having this massive accumulation event. You do not see a bull trap after this accumulation event. The bull trap happens very fast. Okay, the professionals that are trading the market, they are not going to give you a third chance to get your money out. They're not going to give you a fourth chance. And the thing is that this is an accumulation. That's why we've had these spikes to the downside, and now we're having a nice run up because they've accumulated in this zone. So anyway, my take on win US dollar is that we are, in the disbelief phase. We are hitting major resistance right over there, as you can see on the chart, around that range. So I would be extremely bullish as soon as we break this level, as you can see here on the chart. So yeah, as soon as we break this, yeah, start to get your moon boots on, because we are going to higher levels, in my opinion, right over there. I bought some VET this morning, and at 0.13, as soon as I bought it, had a small correction. Regret my emotion FOMO. Yes, this happens a lot. Nothing special, just a potato. Yeah, it happens a lot because it's just your pure emotion. You buy when the prices are going up, you get excited, but anyway, VeChain is going to do very well. Like I said on my last video, this is a double top Adam and Eve, double bottom, sorry, Adam and Eve, pattern that is forming right over here. So this is the moment where you want to get in, because in the next coming months we might see suddenly a massive leg up, especially September, October, and you want to have your bags already bought. You don't want to buy it next month in the next coming months, because you're just going to be buying too high. Now, the good thing about buying at these levels, you can see that the price supply is getting exhausted. We're not dropping lower. We are getting a recovery. We've hit this bottom here on VeChain, which is at the 5 cents, 6 cents range. Hit it once, hit it twice, hit it a third time, and now we've broken out from these lower high structure. So this is mean that the trend is reversing. The demand is coming back. The bears cannot push the price lower because there's not enough supply to push the price lower. So it's just a change, a trend reversal. It is just a trend reversal, as you can see here on the chart. And yeah, I'm going to be super excited seeing VeChain breaking 14 cents successfully, because it looks like that we are going to see this pattern play out. The double bottom Adam and Eve, and 20 cents is in the cards okay, here for VeChain. Hey bro, please check KSM Kusama. Right, let's take a look at Kusama. Right, Kusama. It's not looking too bad. It's looking okay. The good thing about Kusama is that I did not touch anything here on the chart. You know that the drawings stay saved here on TradingView. So this is what I had for Kusama, and I guess because I have this trend line, I must have said, you know, as soon as we start breaking this trend line here to the upside, I am going to start becoming bullish. I will potentially starting to look for long orders, because the same thing for this one. It is looking like the trend is reversing. You don't see the price getting pushed down anymore. It seems the bulls are starting to gain some control here. Zooming in here on Kusama on the 4-hourly chart. I wouldn't say that this is a double bottom, because the second bottom is lower than the first one. But you can clearly see that we've broken this area, which is the $230. We've touched it so many times. This is an area that we've been defending a lot, so we've successfully broken out of it. So I think a major bounce from this range is very, very likely. Getting a correction down there to the $240, getting a bounce from this area is very, very likely. So yeah, what do you want to know of Kusama? Kusama's been absolutely crazy. It's been so crazy because it was one of the first ones to have that major super bounce, and thinking, wow, Kusama is great. Kusama is one of those cryptos that, you know, is going different than Bitcoin and Ethereum. We did not see that huge recovery on Bitcoin. Bitcoin did go almost to about the $40,000 range, and Kusama, you know, did almost go back to the all-time highs right over here, as you can see. But then eventually we did have the crash. This was the bull trap. This was the bull trap right over here, guys. That is a market cycle bull trap right there. You got it right there. Boom, straight back down here. So yeah, Kusama is looking pretty good. We are changing the trend. No major targets, no major patterns here just yet. I think we're just going to have a pretty good run up. Let me just check this out here. This is going to be a major, yeah, we are almost exactly hitting that major resistance range. We touched it right over there. Okay, this is the $290 range. 290 being extreme resistance and support in the past. A lot of volatility and may sell off. Broke down. Now I want to be very careful with this one. We want to break the $290. As soon as we break $290, that is going to be looking great. We're going to be breaking major resistance. Okay, we've already broken out from these lower high trend line. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. We need a little bit more price action to start becoming pretty bullish here on Kusama, but it is not looking bad in my opinion. The price already has exhausted to the downside. We're ready for that leg up. Saw you're at Da Vinci. Nice to see that you getting noticed. Moon time. Yes, thank you very much, Shyam. Yeah, he did a great video, great collaboration. Da Vinci's a great guy. Okay, super. I mean, it's great. I did have a good laugh with him. He's a brilliant guy. Really, really good man. Doge is pumping. Doge is pumping. Let's take a look at Doge. Doge needs to have a better pump above 30 cents. All right. We are just hitting major resistance. This could easily be a fake out. I want to see Doge at 33, 34 cents maybe. Yeah, not even that high. I think I'll be pretty confident. We might be swing trading this all the way up to 42 cents, 42 cents. But it is looking pretty good. This has created an Adam and Eve pattern. And it is a beautiful one because we have a massive spike here. Bottom, round, nice Adam and Eve here. Second bottom being the Eve. This is looking very, very nice for a potential trade. We might be doing trading here. Guys, if we do break to 34 cents, Okay, even 32.5, we could get pretty confident that this is going to have a major leg up to 40 cents level. Stop losses around 26, 27 cents potentially. Okay, in my opinion. I mean, the bad thing about Dogecoin, it is extremely volatile. You do see wicks down and up, so I wouldn't leverage too much. I wouldn't put too much of my capital, because you have these crazy wicks, okay, that will eliminate you from the market. Even though you have a decent stop loss behind here, you might see just a huge wick down there before we continue back up. This is the thing with these and this one's a high cap cryptocurrency, but there's so many people that don't have experience in the market that just buy a bunch of Dogecoin and they might sell it quickly and then buy it again and then sell it. These are a lot of people that are very emotional, that don't have experience in the market. That's why these are all the TikTokers, you know, people that follow Elon Musk. He tweets about Dogecoin. It is a very emotional cryptocurrency, so technical analysis here is very, very difficult on this cryptocurrency. You do see this is more of a fundamental emotional cryptocurrency for trading than a technical crypto. People need to keep an eye on V-Thor token, V-Chain token of use. It's doing 20% daily. I have a bunch of V-Thor. You create V-Thor by having V-Chain on your wallet. Depending on where you have your wallet. Yeah, V-Thor is doing great. You can actually buy this on Binance. Okay, but it does, by holding V-Thor, I use Sync with my ledger. I use Sync, okay, which is this. I mean, I have no problem on showing. And you create your V-Thor automatically. Sync is the wallet that I use here for V-Chain, and you automatically create V-Thor. People need to keep an eye on, right, okay, I've read that. Nothing special, just a potato. 50% of my portfolio is V-Chain. Absolutely great. I have 5% of V-Chain. It is stupid to give a single coin so much percentage. Well, yes, I would diversify. You do not want to, I would say 50% on Bitcoin is good, 50% on Ethereum is good in my opinion, but you don't want to have 30 cryptocurrencies, and you don't want to have 3 cryptocurrency. I have a total of 8 cryptocurrencies. I did have 12. I did change some of them to add to my Link position, to add to my V-Chain position portfolio. So I think in between 5 and 10 cryptocurrencies is good to have. I think maybe not 50%, because I have 30% of my portfolio being Bitcoin. So yeah, I am a strong believer in some altcoin projects such as Chainlink that are maybe going to perform better than Bitcoin and also Ethereum. So, but a high percentage should be Bitcoin, definitely. XRP at $800. I like this line. It says, good morning. It says, Shaf, would you mind taking a look at CHR USDT, please? Thanks, brother, says Bernard. Giant bear trap there set up, said Bernard. Yes. Right, let's take a look at CHR here for Shaf. CHR. Guys, make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Wow. What's happened here? What has happened here? Guys, I'm not sure if this is an NFT project, CHR. Let's take a quick look here on, but it is moving very similar. Chroma, I remember this one. It's moving very similar than TLM, which is the Alien World gaming NFT project. Also, Alice is my neighbor. All these NFT gaming projects are making similar moves. So, yeah, what is this? What is this crypto? Just a quick look here at the relation blockchain platform that makes sense. Chroma is a blockchain platform making it easy for people to build decentralized apps in the real world for a better world. Yes, and is it gaming also got to do? Yeah, I'm not going to go through the project. Is it Chroma for games? Yeah, I think it's a gaming, isn't it? It's a gaming cryptocurrency. All these NFT gaming projects are making very similar patterns. Now, this is the only thing that I had on Chroma. It's been actually, I think, a couple of weeks since we haven't had this. The last thing that we had here was this descending wedge. We broke out here with not too much force. And this is what happened to TLM and Alice My Neighbor. This is looking for a major leg up. I mean, sorry, Alice My Neighbor, TLM, has done this major scenario also. We did see a resistance there, turning into support. Boom, next major leg up. Now, what could happen to this crypto? Very hard. I mean, no, not very hard. Very hard to potentially get up this resistance. But it's going to be, this is pretty simple, guys. As soon as we break 50 cents, and that's being a little bit conservative, you know, being more aggressive, 48 cents. If we break 48 cents is a major resistance. We want to get above nicely the 50 cents, guys. If we have a major leg up, we can get in here into many corrections, into a correction here. This major resistance is going to turn into heavy support. We've retested and got rejection so many times that as soon as we break it, yeah, that resistance is going to turn into support. So that is my take here on CHR. Looking pretty bullish, guys. There's nothing bearish about this chart. Nothing bearish about this chart. The bottom is in my opinion. It is time for moon mission. Watch out for corrections. We could correct all the way back down here. We want to see a nice breakout, correct, get in, because we are looking for a retest to the top. That is my take here on CHR. Giant bear trap, says Bernard. Yes, lol. Rich Dad Crypto. Andy, porfa, haz un análisis a ADA y DOT, says Jose Loreto. Right, ADA. Yeah, we haven't checked out ADA. But, ADA now getting this major correction, guys. If ADA manages to come all the way back down to the $1.90, $1.85, I think, in my opinion, is going to be a major buy point. Okay, it is just going to get some, you know, it's going to be an accumulation event before we have the buy point. Why do I say this? Because I see also this massive Adam and Eve situation. We see a massive spike here, double, triple spikes, it doesn't matter, but that is a bottom. This right here is a bottom on ADA. Where was the bottom? $1. We were talking about $1 is going to be, it is very likely that $1 is going to hold for ADA. Nice round psychological support. So we've got this spike here being the bottom. We've got this nice round second bottom right over there. Also hitting the $1 range. Guess what? We've broken major resistance. The good thing about this, we've retested it there as resistance, the $1.50, okay, on ADA. We retested the resistance. Now we need to wait for the price to come to us. Let the price come down. We might not come down, we might form a pennant here and continue to the upside. But if we come down, guys, it is time to get in some positions, because yeah, clear trend reversal, double bottom. Yeah, the measured move from this double bottom is getting the support here to the resistance right there. Breakout, guys. ADA, it is very likely that we are going to retest, you know, all-time highs here for ADA in maybe a week, maybe a couple of weeks. But yeah, definitely entering into September, I think, yeah, a major leg up is very likely, potentially after a correction. If we do come down to $1.85, I am going to place some long orders here on ADA. Swing trades, not too much leverage, not too much capital. I am going to do that on Bybit, guys. You know the deal here. You can trade loads of different altcoins. And yeah, this is where I'm going to trade it. You've got the best bonus available if you do not trade on Bybit yet. Check it out, guys. You've got an amazing bonus. My favorite day trading platform, though, you know the deal. I don't have any positions open just yet, is PrimeXbt. You get 50% added to your deposit. So yeah, best bonus available for day trading. Swing trading, Bybit, because of the fees. Fees are so much lower than PrimeXbt for a swing trade. I can have a trade here open for a couple of weeks. It is not going to be that expensive than PrimeXbt. This is why I use Bybit for swing trading. Yeah, so you got incredible bonus on both platforms down below. Eventually I am getting a small commission, guys, but I am providing you great information, I want to believe, here on the channel. So yeah, Let's take a look at Polkadot here also for Jose. .US dollar here for Jose. Right. What have we got? We've got an ascending channel here that it seems like we created a long time ago. If we do come back down to the $19 range, $19-20 range, it is going to be a great buy order in my opinion. We have created an ascending channel. The thing is about this is that we're having bearish divergence. You can also trade this on Bybit. I will be trading this if we do have the major correction, because I think, you know, it is likely here for Polkadot that, yeah, we need to have a leg up all the way up here to $28. $28 is our ultimate major resistance point. Super strong. Eventually we will be breaking it out, but I think if we do have that correction here to $20, I think that would be so, we'll be so lucky to have that small correction to potentially enter some long orders. I want to get into the best buying position that I can. So $20, we have seen that it has been a major support and resistance. I think it's been support there. If we do come back down, this is going to be the ultimate level before we continue up, in my opinion. Okay guys, so yeah, looking good. Bearish case scenario would be coming to the $19, retesting $19 range. Bullish case scenario would be absolutely blasting off here, breaking the resistance of this kind of ascending channel that we've created there. And this would eventually take us all the way up to the $28. If we did have that breakout from the channel, you know, maybe tomorrow, this should take us all the way up to $28. So that's my take on Polkadot. If we do break down, I'm gonna place some long orders potentially. I'm waiting for long orders maybe for ADA. ADA needs to come down to the $1.85. I'm gonna write it down because, yeah, I forget of these cryptos. I do analysis, but I can't get into all of them eventually. Please take a look at Solana, says Hedoban. Yes, let's take a look at Sol straight away. Quick analysis here for the community. I'm going to scroll down. I bet I'm lagging half an hour. Wow. Yeah, we didn't trade this, guys. Why didn't you tell me? We didn't trade this. Guys, who remembers this in the community? Say, I remember this analysis on Solana. Sorry about these too many boxes here. But guys, just a quick overview. We did see Solana creating this symmetrical triangle right over there. We broke out of it, which is at the $32, $33. I'm thinking, guys, look how we perfectly, zooming in here on the chart of Solana, we bounced off this major resistance and turned it into support, guys. This was such a great buying opportunity. We also see inside here a double bottom range. We are hitting resistance every single time there. This is the $37 range. We broke out. This is where I have my purple box there. We broke out of it successfully. Boom. Bounced right over there at this major resistance, turning it into support, guys. Look how we've had that major run up. I missed this one. I did not trade it, but we did analyze this before, guys. Measured moves. Solana's going to do way better than what it's done now. Breakout from this symmetrical triangle. Yeah, Solana will be hitting the highs, in my opinion. We will be hitting the all-time highs very, very soon for Sol. Double bottom is $50, guys. We were calling for $50 here on Solana. Yeah, maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. We were, you know, it is what it is. This was the measured move from the breakout of this double bottom scenario. So, yeah. Guys, this is almost done. This trade is almost over. I think a potential $60 range is very possible also because of this huge symmetrical triangle. So any retracement is going to be good here on Solana. If we do retrace to $43, $44, that is a major buy zone, guys. Major re-entry point is $43. Potentially for $60 we're going to aim for. Any retracement here on Solana is good for our next major leg up. If you get into a long position here, you just buying the top, you are getting exposed to a major correction, okay? Wait for a correction. If it doesn't correct, then, well, never mind. The moment to enter a trade here was from the breakout of the $37. This was the great moment to get in. This definitely was confirming, okay? Also, we talked about this, guys. We broke out from this symmetrical triangle, hitting $37. We had a retracement to the support. I said, guys, as soon as we break out the breakout, we are confirming that Solana is going to have a major run up to the upside, and we did. If you're an old subscriber, you know I am not joking here. I am not lying. This was, you can actually check last week's one of last week's live stream here. Solana is a very is a crypto that a lot of people ask for on the live streams. Sup Andy, can you check Sun? Says Z. Yeah, let's take a look. YouTrust about to pop again. Right, let's take a look at YouTrust first. YouTrust. I'm not familiar very much with this cryptocurrency, but what's the ticker symbol? Is it YouTrust also? YouTrust. UTK. We haven't maybe done any analysis. Oh, wow. Amazing. Amazing. Wow, absolutely insane. I have heard about this crypto project before, but I haven't done any research, I gotta say. Is it a payment system platform? The YouTrust allows merchants to accept digital currencies and means of payment. So yeah, it is a payment system platform. I just didn't do enough research on this project, but I have seen other YouTubers, other analysts talk about this, and yeah, it's just a payment system platform. Get ready for seamless online payments with digital currencies. It seems like it is doing pretty good. It is an OG cryptocurrency. It has been here for years. I do remember seeing this crypto a long time ago. We are maybe going to get a bounce from here, guys, where we're currently at. So as you say, it is ready for another pop. It is ready for another pop to the upside. Check out where we're currently at. 50 cents, nice round psychological resistance and support. If we zoom in here in the past, you can check out February of 2021. Major resistance has been the 50 cents. Major support, we eventually had this breakout, but this was no problem. We had the sell-off right over here. It did hold for a couple of days here as support, finally breaking down. Now, what can we see? We've broken out successfully out of this. Where can you trade this? Binance. Yeah, I think you can trade this on Binance, YouTrust. In my opinion, this is looking pretty good for a major leg up, guys. We do have a double support right over there. We've got double support at 45 cents also. Being major resistance. So yeah, I think stop loss may be behind around about the 40 cents range. I think this should be holding nicely. But yeah, this is the moment when you want to get into this crypto. I think a retest here at 70 cents is very, very likely for YouTrust. We've had this major correction. It's potentially already hit the 50% retracement Fibonacci. It's actually hit the golden pocket. So yeah, this is looking pretty good for a leg up. Yeah, this is very, very likely that this is when we want to enter, guys. You want to enter. This is confirming that the bears don't have any. It's hit the golden pocket also from this impulse. Yeah, this is basically saying that the bears don't have any steam. Could this do this? Yes, it could. But the most likely scenario is that it's going to retest the highs here. At least 65 cents, in my opinion. So that's the short-term analysis on YouTrust. I mean, guys, this is just my analysis. This is bullish. The trend is up. You want to get into retracements. It is pretty simple. We do not want to overcomplicate things. Can this do this? Yes, eventually it can. I'm just saying the probabilities. What is most likely to happen? Cardano, please. I've taken a look at Cardano. We've taken a look at VET also. What about Dot Bro? Okay, I'm lagging behind the comment section too much. Just going to go quickly through the comment section, guys. And then, yeah, I've taken a look at most of these cryptos that you're calling for now. Good morning, Andy from California. Hello, Pamela. Hope you're doing well. Can you look at Engine and Matic, please? Yes, Pamela, of course. You must have written this about 20 minutes ago. But anyway, I'm lagging through the comment section as always because I like to do an analysis for you guys. I like it. Engine. Well, Engine still hasn't had it. It hasn't exploded just yet. Engine is it will hit the $2 in my opinion. It will hit the $2. We have broken out finally from the $1.50. Guys, this is gonna have a leg up. I think this is looking for a leg up. We are going to hit the next major resistance point, which is the the $2. As you can see, we did get rejected many times from the $1.50 right over there. Couple of spikes, one there, another spike here, another spike there, another one right over here. Successfully broken out, hitting almost $1.70, getting back down. It's holding as support. Yeah, I think it is very likely that we might have another retest below $1.50 before running up, or we might just run up from here, guys. In between $1.50 and $2, guess what? There's no major resistance. It is just a lot of volatility. Volatility there, leg up and back down. So not many stops in between $1.60 and $1 and $2, sorry. I think it is, we're just having a consolidation. It's going to be blue skies up to $2 here for Engine. It is very likely, guys. Very likely. What I like also from Engine is that it has been creating higher lows also. This is extremely bullish. Boom, this is looking for a blast off. In my opinion, note that this could still come to $1.50, $1.45, I think would be ultimate low here before having that major leg up to $2. Smash the like button, everybody, says Bernard. Thank you very much. Andy, have you done Solana yet, brother, or just XRP VET? I have done Solana. I've just done it right now. This comment might have been 20-minute old. So, yeah, you might have seen it already. I'm reading so old comments. Hello, heard of Unity Protocol. Seems legit. Unity Protocol, I have no idea. We can have a quick look here. Unity Protocol. Right, it is not on... Is it Unity Network? It might be the same one. Unity Protocol, Unity Network. I have no idea of this cryptocurrency, but yeah, let's just do a quick overview here on CoinGecko. Take control of your DeFi experience. Okay, pretty simple web page here. Nothing too serious. Yeah, I think I would just check it out. Check out Telegram. Get some information. But yeah, web page looks a little bit simple. So yeah, anyway, no analysis on this one. It was 2,000 here. It only has 500,000 market cap. Will it be a scam? Will it not? I don't know. How long has this been in the crypto space? Yeah, just for a month or two. Yeah, I'm not going to do the research right here, but maybe it's worth to take a look at. Hello, heard of... Okay, I've read that one. Mark Lane, nice to see you on DaVinci J15, says Mark Lane. Thank you very much. Yeah, we did a great collab. Great guy, DaVinci. Hiron says, hello, Andy. Hope you are having a good weekend. Can you look at CHCZ? Yes, Hiron, straight away. Let's take a look at it. Right, CHZ, US dollar here. Chiliz. Guys, Chiliz is a great project, okay? Wow, I mean, guys, it is pretty simple, guys. Chiliz is going to have a blast off, okay? Chiliz is going to have a blast off at almost 50 cents. Target, I say 1 week, 2 weeks max. I'm going to risk it on this one. You can't trade chilies. I think you only can trade it on Binance. But, yeah, looking pretty good. We've gone above this major resistance, which is at the 33 cents. Well, we just round that area, okay? Let's wait for a little bit of more price confirmation, because it is a little hard on this one. It is a little bit hard on this cryptocurrency because there's a lot of volatility. We are just about breaking, but I think this is successfully going to get above the 30, even the 38 cents, 40 cents. Look how we have that touch there, this over here, that over there, this touch over here, support, broke down, resistance, resistance, resistance. It is time to break out. It is a double bottom scenario here also. We got from this major support there, being resistance, bottom touched here, so that's one bottom right over there. Okay, come back down right over here, that's another bottom right over there. Breaking key resistance. This is looking for a pump, or at least up to 50 cents in my opinion. Okay, so get your moon boots here ready for chilies. Great blockchain project. This is going to be in charge of the entire sports industry in my opinion. You know, we did see Paris Saint-Germain token because of Lionel Messi potentially getting a percentage of his contract, of his payments in PSG tokens. PSG token is run on the Chiliz blockchain. I think I have no idea, guys. I mean, I'm just talking here blindly, but correct me if I'm wrong. I guess you use Chiliz as the network fees, just like Ethereum. When you move Chainlink, when you move, any ERC20 token, you pay Ethereum as fees. If you are buying some of these fan tokens, like PSG, Barcelona token, I think they're gonna get into the American football industry also. They're gonna take most of the sports industry for fan tokens, and you are going to pay your transaction fees with Chiliz. So yeah, this is and the sports industry is absolutely huge. If they manage with their blockchain they already are achieving very, very well. This is going to be a huge token, guys. Huge. This is one of that small percentage of tokens that are going to do well in the crypto space. Chiliz is one of them, in my opinion. So we're just about to break 35 cents successfully here. If we do have that major leg up to 40 cents, guys, get ready, because this is going to have a major leg up to 50 cents, in my opinion. Bearish case scenario is that this has been a fake out, and we are going to have a small correction, maybe to 30 cents, and then we're going to have the leg up. But it is looking pretty bullish. Would you mind taking a look at? Yeah, I'm taking a look at this one. CHR Tottenham plays Man City, says Georgios. Andy, hola, puedes ver Theta y Rune. Let's take a look at Theta, because Theta, guys, I've been calling Theta. I remember $9 Theta is my target. $9 Theta, potentially in about a week or two. But then afterwards, Theta is going to have a leg up almost to the $15 range. It is the top of this descending wedge. We do have a clear descending wedge here on Theta. We had a fake out area. We've broken successfully the fake out area, getting above these lower highs right over there. We are getting above them. So yeah, just about, but it is looking bullish. Inverse head and shoulder, the most horrible inverse head and shoulder I've done analysis on, but it is going to play out nicely, in my opinion. We've got this being the left shoulder, this being the head, this being a right shoulder there with a descending neckline. Okay, we have very nicely touched the neckline a couple of times. We came back down. That was a great buying point here, coming back down, retesting the $6 here and 20-cent level for a potential long. This crypto is going to hit $9 in the next coming weeks, in my opinion. The measured move from this inverse head and shoulder neckline break is like this. So yeah, almost $9. Note that this could still have a correction hitting here the neckline just below $6 before having the run up. Okay, this doesn't mean that we are going to go up in a straight line. Wait for corrections. If we do have them, this is when you want to re-enter this potential impulse move from this inverse head and shoulder. We broke out, retest, boom, we're out, meet the target. We enter here if we can. Looking bullish, guys, looking bullish. Theta is also one of my top 10 most bullish projects, you know, such as Chili's, Theta, decentralized live streaming. It is the future, guys. Andy, hola, taking a look at Theta, Cancelo, Rune. Let's take a look at Rune here. Let's try and make one crypto each, okay? If you wanted me to take a look at two, yeah, but I'm lagging so much, guys. It's just because it's not fair on the rest of the community. Yeah, Rune just about to break this major resistance. This is what I had on Rune. We need to break successfully $8.50 to start becoming bullish here in the immediate short term, but it is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I think this is looking for a reversal. We've already created a higher low structure there, which is perfect. Are we creating potentially an inverse head and shoulder here? This is looking pretty good, guys. This might be looking pretty good here for Rune. I know it's a decent project. We are maybe creating an inverse head and shoulder structure here with an uptrend neckline. So we got, you know, this being the shoulder, as you can see, head, right shoulder right there. This could still do this and still be perfectly fine. As soon as we break this neckline, okay, depending on where we're breaking out, I think, yeah, this is going to have a huge leg up, in my opinion. And it's not that huge when you zoom out. But it's very, very likely this is the scenario here for Rune, okay? Looking pretty good. We've created lower lows, now higher lows. Inverse head and shoulder. This is looking for a pop-up. Gracias, Bestia, says the Concelo. Thank you very much. Gracias, Concelo. Seeing you on Da Vinci, says John. Yes. Awesome job, Andy. Please, can you take a look at ICP? Was ICP hitting $70? Has it gone over $70 or has it had a correction? Wow, major correction here on ICP. ICP, last thing that we talked about ICP was bearish divergence, I think. Heavy bearish divergence. Start becoming bullish though, guys. Start to become bullish as soon as we almost hit the oversold territory here on the 4 hourly. It's going to be looking pretty good. Note that the $50 range on ICP is going to be a major support level right over there. As you can see, $52, $53. Maybe good for re-entry, okay? Maybe good for a reaccumulation if you are bullish in this project. I haven't checked out this project actually. I've seen some other analysts talking about it, but I haven't. But looking at the chart, looking okay. We've created this higher low there. We broke out major resistance. Now it looks like we want to retest it. This is looking for a leg up. This is the scenario that I'm looking for here on ICP. At least to the highs, maybe breaking these highs. Simple analysis. This is bottomed out. This is after this major drop here that ICP had. Looking at the logarithmic, this has bottomed out, in my opinion. So you think we've hit short-term bottom, Andy? Yes, I do. Yes, I do, Connor. I'm glad to see you. Right, let me go here through comments quickly. 1 second. I'm going to try and read as fast as I can. Right, I'm glad to see you getting many more California viewers. Keep up the great TA skills. Smash that like. You rock. Thank you very much, Pamela. I'm glad everybody's learning here. I'm glad I have a great community. I'm glad that you actually see my work here and you think it's great. So I'm super happy. 46.k-ish. So do you think the short-term bottom on Bitcoin, I guess, 46 point, yeah, local bottom, 46.4. No, I see this scenario, descending wedge now. Somebody said this in the comment section on Bitcoin, looking pretty good, but I think this might fail. We might be failing here, breaking the wedge to the downside. The target of the this ascending wedge is down to the 38k levels. I think it is very unlikely we'll be hitting 38k. I think we'll be hitting 40k maximum target support. Andy, can you take a look at Theta? I've taken a look at Theta already, so that means I'm lagging through the comment section. Smash the like. Thank you, Pamela. Any insight into CSPR? Is this Casper? CSPR. Yeah, I have no opinion on Casper Network. How has this performed? There was a massive hype around this crypto suddenly, and yeah, it's just, if you are bullish in this crypto, guys, the floor is in. It looks like the floor is in. I didn't do any research. I didn't get into the private sale. I saw I saw so many people getting absolutely mad about this cryptocurrency blockchain project, Casper Network. And this is what pulled me back and doing research, because there were so many people entering this, you know, FOMOing in, and yeah, this wasn't even out, and it's been such a bad performer since it's been out. It's just gone down, and maybe the floor's in. Sorry, but no opinion on this one. Casper Network. Dot, please. I've taken a look at Dot. Let's take a look at Chainlink here for Nick. Also, I haven't taken a look at Chainlink. I have taken a look at Polkadot. Let's take a look at Link over here. Right. I think $30 Link is in the cards. It is very, very likely we are going to see $30 here very soon on Chainlink. We might come back down to the $24, $23 range to hold nicely as support. We do have support there, support here, a lot of volatility on the May sell-off. We were struggling to get above the $24 area. Finally getting above now, getting a nice bounce. I think like most of the cryptos, this is also looking for a massive, huge Adam and Eve double bottom. As soon as we hit $32 range, this is going to confirm, you know, this potential Adam and Eve scenario. So we've got the Adam right over here. We have a huge round Eve scenario, double bottom range, ready for a blast off. If we did, that's why I think that, yeah, it looks very, very much likely that Chainlink is going to have that leg up to $32. If we successfully break $32, entering $36, then I think, yeah, at least we need to break this high, which is at 35. So $36 would be realistic, starting to get bullish into Chainlink here for this potential pattern here that's forming. Nothing confirmed just yet. If we do have a leg up here to $32, it is going to be looking pretty exciting. This means that if this double bottom scenario plays out, it is likely that we are going to hit the all-time highs, which is currently at $53 if I'm not wrong here on Chainlink. So very exciting times, guys. Bears are losing it, guys. Bears are losing steam right over here. Now this is the moment where the bulls need to fight super strong. Okay, we need that hype. We need you know, these crypto projects delivering. This is when we want to get bullish on this. So Chainlink is looking pretty good. Most bearish case scenario for Chainlink, I think maybe $23, $22. A little bit of volatility below $24, and then having a leg up before. And the most bullish scenario would be having a, you know, straight leg up here to $30. That's my take on Chainlink. Can you look at Nano, please? Hey Andy, nice job, says Namdi. Thank you very much. Can you see REEF US dollar or REEF BTC? Yeah, REEF US dollar right away. Guys, I'm trying to go through most of the altcoins, so if you've written in the comment section, just be a little bit patient. I will try and arrive to your comment. Right, this line here, take it out of the way. I don't know why that was there. Very choppy this reef project. A lot of choppiness right there. Zoom in here on the 4 hourly. It seems like we did play out. No, you wouldn't say a double bottom, because second bottom is pretty much quite lower than the second bottom. So oh, sorry guys, 1 second. Yeah, I think this is not a double bottom. You could potentially say it is. You could have second bottoms a little bit higher than the first one or lower. But basically, this created an ascending triangle there, broke down. Double bottom scenario, basically, we must have met the target here already nicely. I think it's looking pretty good. We are consistently breaking major resistance. We broke this resistance right over there successfully. We've broken this resistance right over here successfully, getting a nice bounce as support. So yeah, the 0.019 cents should be holding nicely for reef, in my opinion. It does look like that. It is looking for a nice reversal here. Hey there, I love you all, says Bernard. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. You too, man. Andy, I think I've earned that moderator blue wrench spot. Yes, you definitely have, Bernard. You definitely have. So yeah, you're definitely going to be a mod on the channel, okay? We'll sort that out. Right. Right, you are moderator now, Bernard, so you're on it. You definitely earned it. Thank you very much for the support, man. It's an ABC Elliott wave correction upward. We are at the end of the C wave. C starts from 37k and will end near 50k. Right, let's take a look here at what this guy is saying, the sales miner. So you're taking a look at the daily potentially. Is it an ABC? Okay, and the C has started from 37. Okay, ABC correction. But okay. I see what you're talking about. So from this impulse down, we are having the ABC correction right over here. Yeah, potentially, maybe. Let me just take a quick look here. So you are saying that this has been the A, the B, the C right over there. And now we're going to come to lower levels, right? And a good way to see the impulse is getting the Fibonacci extension tool from this here being the A, this being the B. And yeah, Fibonacci extension is calling exactly 51k levels. So a major leg up here before having the correction is very, very possible. Fibonacci extension is brilliant for ABC corrections. Right, hello Andy, do you have any thoughts about TronPad? I do not. Sorry about that, I don't have any idea about TronPad. No idea about this project. What is TronPad, says Bernard. Can you look at CRV, please? Let's take a look at CRV. This is Crove DeFi project. Always happy to check out DeFi projects. This did manage to hold nicely as the floor, the $1.15 range. This is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We've broken out major resistance there. Check out this perfect descending triangle. Absolutely beautiful. Right over there. So if you do put your lines there like this, You do have your support range. Measured move target is this over here. This is exactly met the target right there from this descending triangle. This is CRV. So after meeting the target, double bottom, boom, 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 broken out. Most likely scenario I think is that, yeah, I'm not sure. I would be confident as soon as we break $2.36. Okay, I wouldn't be overexcited to place a trade here, but this is also the measured move from the breakout. We should be hitting this resistance here on CRV, which is at the $2.80. So same measured move from this descending triangle, boom, met the target here at $1.20. Double bottom scenario, broken resistance, we should be hitting $2.80. We're currently at $2.10. You could risk this one, but with Bitcoin and Ethereum being at a little bit overbought territory, we've had the major run up. Expect some major corrections here for these cryptos also. I'm not guaranteeing that this is going to happen, because it's been we've had quite a big leg up here on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you know the deal. If Bitcoin and Ethereum does have that correction, then eventually it's going to drag most of the crypto. So expect this maybe potentially coming to below the $2 for a little bit before we have the major leg up, or maybe the leg up. That would be the bearish scenario, going below $2 on CRV here, potentially a little bit, and or the most bullish would be having the major bounce from here. So if you want to risk this on a trade, you could be careful with trading on this, because overbought territory on Bitcoin and Ethereum, bearish divergence, stay cautious. But if you want to buy this for the long run, yeah, this is the moment you probably want to get in. You don't want to get in as soon as we're hitting the highs and breaking all-time highs. This is the moment. Can you look at, yes, do a live trade. Yeah, well, if there's no trades, I'm not going to trade eventually. I want to get into confident. I want to get pretty confident into a trade if I see one. But I might trade this, but it might not be on the live. I do not know where we are going. I want to see confirmation, guys. I would love to live trade. I would love to see live trade opportunities. But if there isn't any, I'm not going to do it, because I do not know where the market is going, up or down. I want to see some breakout of some patterns, price action. I've got live trades here on Bybit from calls that we were talking about. Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, also Bitcoin Cash. We were calling for Bitcoin Cash hitting $680 as soon as we broke 550, if I'm not wrong. Quick check here on Bitcoin Cash. Is it $550? Yeah, $550. We were calling this leg up here, right over there on Bitcoin Cash. Thanks, Andy, says Jackie. Thank you. Go long till we lose momentum near 50k BTC. Go long, says. Yeah, I mean, I do believe so, that we might have that major leg up. Okay, I do believe so. Yeah, 49, 50k is very much likely. I think a lot of people might be shorting this, because this is the golden pocket from the impulse down from 60k down to 30k. This is exactly the golden pocket. Maybe a lot of people short, and we're gonna have that last leg up, okay, almost hitting 50k levels before we have the correction. Very, very possible. Chainlink has done. CRV is also done. I used your referral link on XBT, and the 50% bonus worked. Yes, of course. The regular bonus is only $350 for 850 deposit, but the 50% on any amount is great. Yes, it is. DCS. Can you look at Hex USDC pair on uniswap.hex.vision or TradingView, please? Right, I will take a look. You're welcome. Use that wisely, that 50% bonus. Okay, it is used for buying power. You cannot withdraw the bonus eventually. It is buying power added to your equity. Right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Hex US dollar. absolutely insane, this cryptocurrency. I haven't done research on this, but I know you do. Supposedly you lock something like 6 months on Hex and you get insane yield on it. I'm not sure if this cryptocurrency has a bright future. I've seen Richard Hart. He is a smart guy. He is a very smart guy. I've seen different videos on it of him, and he knows what he's talking about. I'll tell you that. But I'm not too sure about this project. You need to have your Hex locked in. I'm worried about everybody having this Hex unlocked and having that massive sell-off. This is like the grayscale locks that they have of Bitcoin. They do have unlocks, and this could create a massive sell-off. So yeah. Anyway, the chart is pretty clear. You know, if you take a look at this chart, there's not too many S&P 500 is looking like this. The traditional stock markets, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. This isn't a massive bull trend. The May sell-off is right over here. So yeah, no bear market for Hex. It's in a massive bull trend. It's just waiting to break all-time highs, and I think it will eventually will. It's a very, very successful performing cryptocurrency, Hex is. So this is very much looking, it's going to break all-time highs very soon. It is what it is. That's the next target, breaking out all-time highs there. Coming back down potentially later. Easy, simple technical analysis, just like we've done here. Check out this here. Boom, resistance, resistance, broken out, retested the resistance as support. Boom, broken out, retested here with a little bit of volatility. The support tested here again. This is the momentum. The trend is your friend, and Hex is looking pretty damn strong. Can you check ARDR? What is that? What is that? ARDR. Ardor 198 and 92. So it's not. Yeah, it seems like maybe a decent project. Ardor platform, I have no idea on what this is. It has a pretty long description here on CoinGecko. This is making me bullish on this project just by having that. When there's no description on CoinGecko, that means, yeah, stay cautious on this crypto. ARDR, let's take a look at this on the chart. Seems like it might be bottoming out. Also, zooming out here on the 4-hourly, not looking too bad. Currently just around this major support range. Has been major support and resistance. A lot of volatility. This is what I don't like of mid caps. We do see a lot of spikes, a lot of volatility. But yeah, this is a clear reversal. This is reversing, so could potentially say that this was a kind of dodgy inverse head and shoulders right over there. Very dodgy one. But yeah, dodgy stuff here on the charts is sometimes the most sexy. Yeah, this is looking okay. It's not looking too bad. We are currently holding by a thread from major resist support, sorry. So yeah. But anyway, this is a very hard chart also. It's looking okay. It might be going to all-time highs very soon. Anyway, yeah, mid-cap coins are not the best. Low mid-cap coins are not the best. Gracias, Andy. Saludos, says Mauricio. Win is the casino gambling stock. Maybe that's what you were thinking. Yes, exactly. Win. Win, exactly. Win with 2 N's. Can you check KCS, says Devidas. KCS. Right, let's take a look at KCS. What is KCS? It rings a bell. Qcoin. Okay, right. Qcoin token. I think the exchange tokens are going to perform very, very well. Most of them. We did see the crash. We did see... Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. We broke here. I mean, this is basic technical analysis. Okay. It's pretty funny because we did, we have, it's not a double top. almost a double top with the second top being lower, but you could pretty much say that because yes. But anyway, touch support there, broken out, retested here, come back down, guys. You know, most of our trading strategies is breaking resistance or support, coming and retesting it, coming back down to the lows as a retest and getting out of your position. So this is what's happened right over here. We've had a massive breakout on this cryptocurrency, broken out from this major resistance. We came all the way back down, so this was a great buy zone in my opinion. We are slowly climbing up. I think my take here is that Qcoin is going to hit the $14 in the next coming weeks, maybe days, I don't know, but yeah, this is just getting the bounce from this range. It needs to come up all the way up here to these highs. Just a quick analysis, thoughts on ADA. We've taken a look at ADA already. V-Thor token is boss, guys. V-Thor, yeah, it's great. You get free V-Thor by holding a bunch of a big bag. Big correction coming in 18th to end of the month, according to reliable Elliott wave count. Maybe, I do believe so also. I think 50k is going to be a major resistance. We should be getting some type of correction down to 40k's support level potentially. So yeah, expect a 7,000 dump. It would be good for the markets in my opinion. Right. Shizzle, what did I miss? Dipped out for 15 minutes. Keep your vet, brother. Yeah, VeChain is absolutely great. Chris says, I think all the big wigs calling the lows was mostly because they were making two-way statements. They were calling for lows to get back to where they originally bought themselves. Yeah, exactly, boosting too. I know a lot of people that were selling at 40k, even 35k, saying, yeah, this is it, guys, we're going down to 20k, 25k. And now is when they are FOMOing in. A lot of them must have stayed at break even. Huh? If you like VET, check out V-Thor token. It's part of VeChain. It's blasting off, boys. Yeah, we've checked out V-Thor. Why did Ethereum break down through the 3,200 last night? I thought that was support. Yes, but the thing is, Pamela, taking a look at Ethereum here, it hasn't been a clear breakout from 3,200. Okay. Remember, we want to see a nice clear breakout. Checking out the charts here, this is where we have the resistance, okay, right there being support. This is 3,200. Remember, it is plus minus 20 or even $50. We need to count the volatility. Nothing is perfect, okay. 3,200 is not a perfect level. If we hit 3,250, just like we did right over here, this is not a breakout in my opinion. It does look like it. We did have a decent run up here. But yeah, there's a lot of choppiness. We did talk about this channel on yesterday's video. We were saying, guys, it is very, very likely we're going to get some type of rejection. We are creating these higher highs, but slightly, okay. This is like the distribution, sorry. We want to see a nice leg up, and then we want to get into a trade potentially. So yeah, this is not a moment where we want to get a trade. We want to see the nice leg up, just like this, okay? I've explained this so many times. Let the price action do its stuff. Wait for the price to come back down to you. You see this leg up here breaking 2,900, hitting 3,200. This retracement, there's where you want to get in. There's where you want to get out. So how come this is broken here, supposedly, it's not a breakout in my opinion. I want to see a nice $200, $300 pump. But if you have this breakout and you're getting into the retracement, where are you going to exit? At the retest, yes, potentially, but it's just this is a clear, poor price action, very poor price action to the upside. I want to see a leg up like this. I want to see a couple of candles doing this, boom, then eventually get rejected at some point, come down, and here is when I want to enter. I am getting a long position right there because a retest at the high is very, very likely. This is what the price action does almost every single time. You will get into one where you miss, that was the top. Eventually, there will be a moment where you trade the top, and it is what it is. I also trade the tops, and I get into positions here, and then it does this, boom, stopped out. It's fine. You need to win 3-4 trades out of 5, or at least 3 eventually. So yeah, if this happens, I am getting long here. I am getting out here at a retest, because I do not know if we are going to break the highs. It is pretty clear. It's just very hard to execute. Right there, boom, I enter here, I exit here, because I don't know if we're going to break the highs. What I do know is there's a high chance that we are going to get a rejection, a double top scenario, because a lot of traders trade like this. A lot of traders get out at a double top because they're not confident enough. They do not know if a huge money is going to come in. So yeah, guys, this is, hi Andy, have you checked Ocean, please? Let's take a look at Ocean here for Leo. And I'm going to go down in the comment section, and I'll be finishing the stream, guys. Sorry if I missed your cryptocurrency. Don't worry, I'll be doing more live streams during the week. I'll be doing at least 4 or 5 live streams next week. I will be notifying you at least 15 minutes before the live stream. If I can do an hour, I will be notifying you an hour before. But Ocean, great setup here on Ocean. I think Ocean will be hitting 75 cents very, very soon. As soon as we break 75 cents, I think sky is the limit. At least almost, at least the $1 range. $1 range, I already see it's going to be a major resistance. I see Ocean breaking 75 cents and getting rejection here at $1. Approximately. Bearish case scenario would be, having a leg down here, and maybe this could be a huge inverse head and shoulder scenario. That would be the bearish case scenario. Would be coming back down to the 50 cent level, but I think this is very unlikely. Right, Smart Money doesn't want to buy at 50k. They want their discount, teasing us with hope before Judgment Day comes. Yeah, they're very true. Best part about VET is holding earns you V-Thor. Exactly, Bernard. Living in my sucks. I can't buy a lot crypto. Living in my life sucks. Well, just dollar cost average what you can. Hi Andy, Theta TA please, love from India. I've taken a look at Theta already. Guys, I've been lagging. ETC, yeah, I've taken a look at ETC already. Also Kusama, Andy Comp, TA please buddy. Right, let's take a look at Compound, and also let's take a look at ETC here for the last one. Okay, Comp, US dollar. Compound has been one of those super bullish ones. What's happened here on Comp? Right, let's take the logarithmic out of the way. Let's take these lines out of the way. Still creating higher lows here on Comp. We did have a fake out right over here. This was a risky one. And didn't come back up. This was a stop loss event. That was a stop loss. You could have entered here potentially here at about $440, looking for this double top, and yeah, it came straight back down. You would have been this is what happens sometimes. This trading strategy is not 100% winning trades. It is 75-80% winning trades. So there is going to be 3 trades out of 10 potentially that you're going to get stopped out, and this is the one where you have a breakout. It looks pretty legit, boom, and it comes back down here, this major support. So that's why stay cautious, don't risk too much. Still creating high lows here on Comp, looking okay for the moment. A lot of choppiness. I don't like this crypto for TA actually. It looks a little bit too choppy. Anyway, quick look on ETC, because ETC I was calling for $80 ETC. We have a double bottom. Let's take these lines out because this is just, I was just showing you the trend reversal here. Double bottom right over here, bang bang,
broken out. We should be hitting $80 range very soon on ETC. If we do have a correction, yeah, it's great. You know, $62 should be holding nicely as support. So boom, 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 back up. Guys, thank you very much for joining in. Sorry if I missed your crypto. I've taken a look at XRP already. Looks like Andy will close the stream before reaching to my comment. Yes, all right, Infogram. You are one of my biggest supporters. I'm going to look through your comment. Where is your comment? Bernard, I would like to become a mod for Andy. Right, you're a mod also, moderator. You have become a moderator, okay? Infogram, I know you are a strong supporter of the channel. So Bernard and Infogram, you are moderators. Let's take a look at, Right. Let me take a look at the Infogram here. Everyone hit that like button for my brother. And do you see a bear flag on BTC 1 hour? Right, I've seen your comment here. Infogram, hey Andy, how are you? Joined after long. Great. Infogram, let's take a look at your potential bear flag, sorry. Bear flag or bull flag? Bear flag on the 1 hourly chart. Let's take a look at this. 1 hourly chart, bear flag. So yeah, maybe I guess Infogram, let me know in the comment section before I finish this stream, because are you talk on vet? I've taken a look at vet already. Revanth, Infogram, let me know if this is the bear flag that you're talking about. A poll down here, bear flag there, boom, another poll down here, and this has been another potential bear flag. The thing is it is very, very choppy. It is very, very, very choppy. Okay, let me check out the 15 minute. Yeah, no, I don't see this as a bear flag. This is just choppiness, especially on the 15-minute chart. We do not want to try and trade this. Very, very risky. Yeah, what I do see is this descending wedge. There is a descending wedge on BTC here. If I zoom out on the 4 hourly, there is also a massive ascending wedge. Bearish divergence. Be careful on this. We are just about to break major support here. It can be a fake out. We can get saved on BTC on this descending wedge. This could be a good trade, going all the way back up here to 47,900. Okay. Be careful, guys. I'm not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs. Shorting this huge uptrend is very, very dangerous. This might be a great long here. As soon as we have a potential breakout, we're targeting almost $48,000 range. As soon as we break 46,500 potentially. But nicely, we want to see a nice breakout. So yeah, this is what we got. Thank you so much, Andy. Love you, brother. Thank you. Infogram, you have you've earned it. Okay, you're strong support. Much love and respect, everyone. Says opinion on Rarible. Rarible is great. It's a NFT a marketplace. It is going to do well. I am pretty surprised Rarible hasn't actually had a massive pump because it is an NFT marketplace. It has been pumping actually. Oh yeah, it has been for the last 24 hours, 14 days. Oh, it's have a nice run up. Yeah, Rarible is going to do pretty good, guys. Yeah, it's already having that effect on the NFT hype. So yeah, I think all-time highs is very likely for Rarible in the next coming months. It is an NFT marketplace, so yeah, it will do well. It will hit the all-time highs in my opinion. Accumulation phase is ending. It's already pumping. Very nice, double twice, hurrah, not a responsibility on my own. Yes, great, Bernard. Yeah, which crypto should I long now? Can you make a guess which crypto will break all-time high first? I mean, it depends. A lot of cryptos, Hex has already broken all-time highs. Very strong to, very hard to say, Revanth. Guys, thank you very much for the for the support, okay, and joining in here. I will see you guys tomorrow. I might be doing a live stream. If I don't do one tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm sure I'll be updating you every single day with Bitcoin and Ethereum and some altcoins, potentially maybe VeChain, maybe like Link, maybe, I don't know, any XRP. So anyway, guys, thank you very much. Check out the Bitcoin Census website. You know that we have totally free information here.
technical analysis you can read through. We've got the latest news. If you click the news tab here, you know, will Amazon support Bitcoin payments? You know, this was posted 11 hours ago, how it affects BTC price. So it seems like there's been an update on Amazon potentially accepting Bitcoin payments. Check it out, guys. The link is in the description of Bitcoin Sense's website. Totally free information. You also have exchange reviews. You have a bunch of exchanges here that you can check out where the best fees are and the best bonuses to trade different cryptocurrencies. Okay, so check them out. You have the leverage ones, and you also have the normal exchanges, spot exchanges. Check out this website, guys. It is absolutely great information for all of you. Thank you very much for joining in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.